Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Body by Yoga. First off, I want to thank you for being part of Body by Yoga. It means so much to us that out of all the fitness resources that you have available to you, that you're here and that you're doing yoga and doing our unique form of fitness-centric yoga with us. So first off, just thank you for joining us. And in this video, I just want to talk a bit about my journey with yoga and how that affected the development of this brand of Body by Yoga. So, I started yoga on total accident. One day I was looking for the tailor on my way to the gym and I literally stumbled into a yoga studio and I thought, man, I've been wanting to try yoga for a while now. I guess I might as well do it now. And I tried it. I totally got my butt handed to me. Within the first 45 minutes of class, I was sweating. I thought it was over and we weren't even halfway done yet. So for me, the challenge of yoga kept me coming back, and I kept doing yoga almost 5 or 6 days a week from that point on. It's been about 7 years now. But while I was attending classes in studios and even trying to find some things online, I couldn't find a type of yoga that really clicked with me. I wanted something that was really fitness centric, and I wasn't getting that from traditional yoga. So I decided to start a YouTube channel. And I created a YouTube channel focused on yoga for fitness, focused more on the technique, focused more on how can you get the absolute most out of a yoga workout. And that slowly developed into what I do today. Is partly with Body by Yoga, making these DVDs, making these programs. I've written books. I've created a website with a thriving members area of thousands of people from all over the world. And I'm incredibly privileged to do what I do. But it all started because I saw kind of this need to develop yoga in a fitness focused lens. So I think this is something that a lot of people benefit from, not just people who are interested in yoga for the fitness benefits, but also for people who like yoga in a holistic sense. So people who are doing yoga for more than just fitness. But this is helpful for those people to help delve a little bit deeper into the asana practice or the physical side of it. So as you're following along to these DVDs, I encourage you to, or this program, wherever you're watching it, I encourage you to push yourself to do just a little bit better every day. To remember that growth is more than just being content. It's about pushing yourself just a little bit more every day and being content in that growth. So, not being content with where you are, but being content that you are constantly pushing yourself, constantly growing. So, try to do these workouts consistently. I'm really excited for the benefits that I think you will receive from these. And you'll notice just within a few weeks that your body's getting stronger, you're feeling better on a day to day basis, and hopefully mentally, spiritually, emotionally, you're also feeling better. So enjoy the workouts, and I'll see you on your mat.